Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, How to Guide. In this guide video, I'm going to show you how you can change the password of your Netflix account. It is a quick and easy process, so let's get straight into it. Firstly, open up the website of Netflix on your browser, then log into it. After you're done logging in, you can see the home screen of Netflix, which will look something like this. Now go to your profile, then click on this arrow. Then hover over this arrow from where you can see a drop down. Now you'll need to click on account. Now you can see the various account settings that you can manage. Now to change the password of your account, click on change password, which is the second option. If you want, you can also change your phone number or your email address. But for now, let's change the password. Firstly, you must enter your current password. If you forgot it, you can also retrieve it by clicking on the forgot password option. Now, enter in a new password. The password must be at least 6 characters long and should not be above 60 characters. Now reconfirm it. After you're done, you can see below the password box, there is a box which called require all devices to sign in again. If you check this box, what it will do is after you change the password, you will again need to log in from all the devices which you were previously logged in. But if you uncheck this, you will not require to log in from other devices that you were logged in. Now after you're done, you can simply click on save. So the password to your Netflix account has been successfully changed. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are new, because we upload similar videos like this every day. So in order to never miss such informative videos, turn on the notifications option. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.